So I wanted to do a quick video about my experience with resin 3D printers. And when I saw resin 3D printers become really affordable between that $300 and $200 price range, I jumped at it. And I wanted to get full on hands-on experience with the technology. I was curious. So when I first got it, the first thing that I started printing on it were model airplanes, and I loved it. But after a while, the whole process of dealing with the resin really got tiring, and I just kind of stopped using it. Because for the most part, unless I really need a model, most of what I print is mechanical and functional prints that I don't care about layer lines. I don't care how they look. I just care if they function or not. So for the most part, FDM is the go-to for that. And that's what I'm used to. I'm used to pressing print. Once the part is done printing, that's it. It's ready to be used. With this, no, you have to scrape it out of the plate, then dump it into the bath, wait a while there, and then put it to cure. And that whole multi-step process, not to mention the fact that you still have to clean the platform that you dump the resin into. So yeah, that whole process gets tiring compared to FDM. So overall, I'm still majority for FDM printers. These are good if you care about the aesthetic of the part. Now, don't get me wrong, I still use it every now and then. It's not like I completely stopped with it, but I do have some problems with resin 3D printers of this price range on the lower end. One thing that I hate, and I've seen almost every single one of them have this, is the fact that in order to get to the part, you have to lift the entire top off. Now, a lot of people that have multiple FDM printers, they use those cheap little IKEA tables to stack them up. You can't do that with this. Well, you can, but you have to do a ridiculously high spacing. Literally, to be able to do that with a resin 3D printer like this, for example, you need something double the height of the printer. And all of that could have been simply solved if these companies considered just adding a little swing open door. That would be perfect. And that's actually one of the modifications that I'm thinking later on to do with this. Cut out a hole here and add a swing out door. But yeah, those are some of my quick opinions on resin 3D printers. Overall, the technology right now, it's really good. You can get a used resin 3D printer for like $80. In my opinion, I recommend everyone to at least try resin 3D printer once. If you don't like it, that's fine. Put it up for sale again. You won't be losing much if you bought it used. You can probably set it for the same amount that you bought it for, or just a little bit less. But especially Anycubic, the used models, they're around $70, $80, $100. That's not that much compared to what they used to be. So yeah, this is something that I recommend everyone to try in the hobby and just see if it works out for them. If they like it, you found something, you tested something and you like it. Now you can expand on it, buy yourself a higher quality printer and do more of what you like about it. But yeah, thank you for watching. Keep an eye on the channel. There will be more content coming, especially now that I'm updating the CR10 even more. A little preview, so you can see I'm basically trying to make it into an all-in-one where the display is over here, the power supply will be going onto the back over there, and the control board, I still haven't decided where it will go, but it will probably go somewhere around here. But yeah, thank you again for watching, and peace out.